In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track transfer on Wise. We'll keep this simple and clear so you know exactly where to click and what to expect as you follow along on the Wise website. Start by opening your browser and going to wise.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so before you can view your activity. It's a good idea to have your usual login method ready, and if you use two-step verification, keep your device nearby. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu and click Transactions. This is your central activity feed for Wise, where you can see your outgoing transfers, incoming payments, and other account movements in one place. The Transactions view is designed to make it easy to spot the transfer you're interested in, and it often includes helpful filters and a search field along the top. If your screen is small, you may need to expand the menu first to see the label. To track a specific transfer, use the search bar within the Transactions page. Type in a clear keyword. This could be the recipient's name, a reference or note you added when you set up the transfer, or the amount. If you remember the approximate date or currency, use the available filters to narrow things down even faster. If nothing shows up at first, try clearing filters, checking your spelling, or widening the date range. Very recent transfers may take a brief moment to appear. When you spot the transfer you want, click it to open the details. Here you'll see the current status and a timeline of what's happened so far. Common statuses include pending, which usually means the transfer has been created and is waiting on funds or initial processing. Processing, which indicates Wise is moving the money through the system. And completed, which means the funds have arrived. You might also see an estimated arrival time, the exchange rate used, any fees, and a unique reference you can share with the recipient's bank if they need to locate the payment. Avoid sharing any full account details publicly and only provide the reference to trusted parties. If the transfer is still on its way, refresh the page periodically for the latest updates. You can also save or print the receipt from the transfer details for your records. And that's it. Go to wise.com. Open Transactions on the left and use search to find and track the transfer you need.